Well, hello again, hello everybody. Well, in between my old stuffs, I just found I found an old transformer, and it's looking like it's from 220 in Europe. You know, we have 220, 230 in the last years, and out on 24 volts. I'm not sure if it's AC or DC, but I'm ready to open it up and to see what's inside there. Anyway, it's pretty heavy, I may say. So I'm really hoping for a really nice transformer, you know, because this can be converted to a kind of lab power supply or something. And I think it's time to open it up and to see what's inside there. Okay, so first I think I have to dismantle these 4 screws. That's the bottom. So I'll try to do that as nice as possible. Of course, a little bit of W40 will help that. Yeah, W40, it's really wonderful. So the screws are getting out somehow. Come on. Number 1, 2. I think this transformer or the case, I think it does never open. It should be like maybe 40, 50 years old or something. But I'm really hoping that it's something interesting inside there. I don't know what it is. Maybe an old battery charger for 24 volts, like track batteries. But we'll see in a second. Well, I felt that something went down there. Nada. What the heck? Okay, let's have this open too. Oh, these are much bigger, so I'll use this, do it faster. They are in pretty good shape, I may say, except the rust on the top. Ouch. Oh, here we go. We are in, my God, that's a really nice one. Look here. Look. It's a really big transformer. I love it. Let me try to take it out. Well, I think I have to take these connectors too. Yeah, it feels like it never been dismantled. Huh, this is nice. It's like archaeology, almost. We should find a new kind of history, something, you know, like electronic archaeology. No chance. Okay, this is free. What about the other one? Same story. Oh, this is pretty rusty here. Come on. Yes. You see that it's really rusty, but it's working somehow. There we are. I may say it's a really nice piece of transformer. I'm not sure how many watts or how many. Look inside here, it's pretty rusty. I'm gonna clean it nice, but this is still okay. And the best and the point is that in here I still plenty of room for extra wiring, so then I can have more voltage and more possibilities for make it better. Okay, so that's the short video about recovering an old transformer. I don't know, maybe it's like 40, 50, maybe 60 years old or something. It's supposed to deliver 24 volts AC. This is very clear. It's AC only. And that's gonna be the base of lab power supply. All these metallic parts will be cleaned and paint and so on, because it's metallic and it's very nice for heat and all the protection, you know, mechanical protection. Okay, so that's the beginning of my new project. Thank you for watching me.